If I ask you, what do you mean by passive income? What will be your answer? Passive income is that kind of income in which you earn money with minimal labor. Welcome back to our channel E-Commerce Know-How, and today we're going to see the must-know passive income ideas you should try. Number 7. Rent out your car. Yes, rent your car. You can use your car for Uber services and much more through which you can earn daily or in terms of hours. This is the best idea to earn passive income. This means you can offer your car to someone who needs a car to take trips around the town. Meanwhile, you can do Netflix and chill when your car is working for you to earn money, or you can just sign up in Car Advertise or Rapify to take your trips. Number 6. Rent out your spare room. You can see many people around you doing this, as this is one of the best and judicial ideas to earn money. You can offer free space in your house by either giving it on rent to someone needy or just put it on Airbnb to put your free space on rent. These days, many people prefer Airbnb as they are cheaper than hotels in the town. You can consider this idea if you have a good space in your house or apartment. Number 5. Cashback reward sites. We all love to shop online, right? And we always want some cash return on our online shopping. You can get these rewards on some sites like Swagbucks, Rakuten, and MyPoint. You don't have to do anything extra aside from shopping online after signing up on these sites. You can enjoy this earning process by just sitting in your air-conditioned home and enjoying some tasty munchies. But there is one point: you have to be cautious enough not to exceed your credit card limit. Otherwise, your gain can convert into your loss. Number 4. Sell photos online. If you're a photographer or just love to click pictures, and you have a fantastic idea of the shots and angles, then with this talent of yours, you can start a small business in which you sell your own click pictures to the people online. This could be a fantastic extra source of income for you. You just need a good camera and the skills to click a quality picture. Number 3. Be a blogger. Nowadays, the demand for bloggers is increasing, so you can enter this field. In the beginning, you might feel this task challenging and frustrating, but later on, this job can help you earn a good amount of money. This job is getting successful day by day by employing many youngsters. Don't worry. Now, you don't have to be an internet celebrity to earn money. You can just build your wealth by finding 1 or 2 people to send your website, but you just need creative quality content. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Now this is something which many youngsters, as well as older generations, are doing. Some of them are doing this as their side business, while some have their entire fledged business in it. The main motive of affiliate marketing is to promote the services or the products to the audience. It's an excellent source to earn money, as you will get a commission if anyone uses your referral link to buy any product or service. In the coming future, the affiliate marketing industry will reach $8.2 million and keep on increasing. The only thing it costs is your time. Only then can you make money out of it. This job is easy to execute and scalable, which means you don't need extra help, and it is not risky for you to start this business or job. Number 1. Become an Instagram influencer. Do you know that many known personalities or influencers earn a lot of money by just posting a picture on their Instagram accounts? Some people even earn millions on just one post. To become an influencer, you will have to create a community, sort of a thing that people can enjoy. Through your activities, you will have to influence the buyer to buy a particular product recommended by you on Instagram. Suppose you love styling. Then you can build your account as a fashion blogger, where you will be posting videos and pictures showing off your styling skills. Which audience would love to follow? This is something which will make you build your wealth, but with your talent and interests. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which of these ideas do you like? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.